Hello guys, welcome back again aking YouTube channel, Munoz Vlog. For today's video is mag-install po tayo ng Windows 11. So ito pa yung installan natin ng computer, desktop. So ito po yung desktop na installan natin. Defective po yung hard drive niya. So mag-install po tayo ng bagong hard disk and then installan po tayo ng Windows 11. So okay guys, umpisa na natin. So power on na natin. Press F9 para ma-select natin yung boot sequence. And select natin yung Toshiba kasi yung USB natin. Press enter. So wait lang po tayo. Saglit dahil nag-boot na po siya. So, dito na po tayo. So, next lang tayo. Install now. And then, select po tayo Windows 11 Pro. Next. Accept. Next again. Custom po natin para may ma-delete po natin yung mga existing partition. So, delete again. So ang ginagawa po natin is mag-new po tayo, and then gawin po natin siyang dalawang partition. So hatiin natin sa first hard drive is gawin natin 250 GB. So 2 delete natin, and then 250 GB for the drive C. Press OK. And yung second partition natin i-renew nyo lang natin, and then apply. And then select po natin is yung drive 0 partition. So dito po tayo mag-install ng primary Windows, and then the drive 0 partition 4 is yung magiging backup po natin na drive D. So next tayo. So same as installation po ng Windows 10 yan. dito na po tayo sa Windows. Select na po tayo ng region. Keyboard layout or input method, US for the keyboard. Skip na natin. So we don't have any Wi-Fi, so I don't have internet. Continue with limited setup. Enter name, so any name na lang. Password, next. So wala pa tayong nilagay na password. So yun ang mga privacy settings for your device. Next lang tayo. Next. All accept. Just a moment. Might take a few minutes, so antay lang po tayo. So dito na tayo sa Windows, desktop ng Windows 11. So successful naman yung installation natin. So punta tayo rito. So may pre-word na po tayo installed. So ito pa yung desktop ng Windows 11. Okay guys, Maraming salamat sa panonood. Mukhang successful naman yung installation natin ng Windows 11. So, please like and subscribe and share na rin yung ating video na ginawa. So, again, thank you very much and thank you for watching and God bless. Bye.